Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we will show you guys how to remove and replace front sway bar links. Stay with us, we will do that guys. We'll work on the front right side, but what you do on the, if you do it on the front left, it will be the same way. I'll recommend to replace both of them at the same time, because when those things go bad guys, they actually develop kind of like a rattle. When you go over little bumps or big bumps, potholes guys, you will notice a rattle from the front end, and this is because of a worn sway bar link guys, like that. Now, as I said, we'll have more than 200 videos guys on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. If you need to purchase parts guys, or sway bar links, anything, check out the link in the description of the video below. That way you can save even more money and you can get them for a really good price, fast shipping as well. Let's start on it now. So whether you're working on the right side or the front right or front left, procedure is practically the same guys. So what we need to do, we need to remove, if you have a wheel hubs, okay, covers, wheel covers, go ahead, remove them. You get those plastic nuts loose, remove it. If you have aluminum wheels, you just skip to that step. Right now we're going to get the the leg nuts loose. Okay, we'll have to go ahead and pull the emergency brake guys. If you have the car in park, if it's automatic, manual, okay, put it in first or reverse. Usually consult your manual how to do that, but you can use guys tire chokes. They're the devices that you put behind the rear tire so the car doesn't roll anywhere on you. So we're going to get those loose. Okay, while we're doing that actually, okay, let me show you what a tire choke means. And okay, we have another plate here. That's it. That's guys the device I'm talking about. You just put it behind your tires. Okay, and what's going to happen, you should put two of those, one on the front, one on the rear side of the tire, and when you place them, the car cannot roll on you. So I recommend to have 4 of these, 2 on each rear tires when you're working on the front end of your car. Do that only on level ground. Don't do it guys on a slope, because it can easily fall off the jack or the jack stand. So we're going to jack it up now, and we'll get a jack stand. Always use that jack stands, otherwise what could happen guys, if that jack fails, the car will fall on you. So if you're super lucky, you might survive, you may get hurt, you may get killed if you're unlucky. It really depends guys, but you have to be extremely careful and always think twice when you do that stuff. Okay, so we can see we're lifting it up now, coming off the ground. Okay, now we're going to install the jack stand. Perfect, make sure that it's good. Now what we'll do, we'll just remove the leg nuts all the way. First we just got them barely loose to where they can go by hand. Then we'll remove the wheel and we'll get to the suspension. Okay, we're almost there. Perfect. Now we're going to take the wheel off guys. Okay, pretty heavy wheel. And what we're going to do, we'll actually put it under the car. Okay, just in case if something goes wrong, if it falls, at least it will fall on the wheel. So now guys, sway bar link, let me explain where the sway bar link is located. Okay, if you look at the strut, this is your sway bar there, this is the link. The link guys connects the sway bar to the strut. So how you guys remove those? Okay, they will be under tension. If you guys jack front end up on the car both sides, you have less tension that way, and it will be easier to remove them. If you just jack one side up, we'll show you how to do that as well. Now we're going to go ahead and get that nut loose now guys. It's a self-locking nut. Perfect. And we'll just go ahead and remove that nut now. Okay, we're going to remove it all the way, and if it starts spinning, guys, let me explain what you're going to do. If it starts spinning, you're going to get a Torx 40 star looking bit, and you're going to hold it right there in the middle. Okay, and you just hold it until you get it loose. Let us show you guys how to do that. Okay, just like that, and you keep doing that until it's all the way off. Okay, so we're towards the end and it started spinning, so now I'm going to go ahead and hold it. Okay, perfect. I'll hold it like that. I want to see if I can go ahead. Okay, it's not recommended, but I'm going to go ahead actually and get it loose, okay, with the ratchet, and we'll be holding the nut. Now, when you install them, guys, don't do that because you could damage the ball joint inside. The correct way is to get the nut loose, okay, and holding that thing. So you can see not much left here now. Okay, just a little bit. It's still tight. I don't think the little impact will do it. Okay, we just need to replace our battery because it's all the way there. So, okay, perfect. We got the new guys battery, and that's a different story now. What I would recommend, guys, okay, we're going to remove the bottom one before we actually get it loose, so that way it can keep some tension on the nut, okay, and we'll get it, okay, we're going to get it that way, guys, maybe loose. But the other thing is that we need to turn the wheel to the right, so better remove it, guys, because it may fall out. So grab a sway bar ring, okay, just pry a little bit on the suspension until that comes loose, and one person needs to just pull it out. Okay, and I'm hitting on the back. So what we need to do, we need to go ahead and turn the steering wheel to the left. If you're working on the right side, you need to turn the steering wheel, okay, to the left. If you're working on the left side, you will need to turn the steering wheel to the right. Perfect. Okay, that's it. That's good. That should do it. So we'll go ahead and see if that will take care of it now. Let's check. Okay, let's get the, okay, we're going to get the pry bar actually, because with the pipe we won't be able to. Now, where you want to go, don't go under the thing, okay, try to go if you can, okay, don't go on your CV axle because you can bend it, guys. So don't go on the CV axle, just go on the frame somewhere and apply a little bit of pressure. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, now we can let go. Perfect. Okay, that's it. Never ever, guys, pry on the CV axle shaft because that's very long shaft and it's easy to bend, and if it does, you're guys in big trouble. You need to replace it because you have terrible vibrations. So now what I'll do, guys, okay, we need to remove the nut that's on the bottom. So we'll just get it loose, guys, and I'll explain what needs to be done. Same thing, just get the offset box wrench, get it loose, and then you will have to go ahead and remove the nut all the way. You have less room to work with on the back side. So you can see where we're now. Okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of a better angle for you. So what we'll attempt now, okay, to get the ratchet there to hold it while we're getting it loose, so that way, okay, we can remove it, guys. But you can see it's quite narrow space. Okay, and we just keep doing that with the ratchet until we get it all the way off. Okay, so we will be removing it with impact, but do not get the new one tied that way, just get it tied the regular way. Hold the stem and just get the nut tied, but now we'll just remove it with the impact. Check it out now. So now guys, sway barring, okay, should be out of the car. This is it guys. When they're wore out, okay, those sway barrings, they will develop a play guys. Okay, that play will be in the ball joints, and that play actually will result into rattle and noise on the front end guys. So that's how you guys remove it. Putting it together is in reverse order with 2 kilo part. If you need to purchase new ones, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get them guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.